Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to hide Instagram following and follower list. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, as of March 2026, the only way or the primary way to hide your Instagram followers and even following list is by switching your account to private. So when your account is already private, only approved followers can see these lists, all right, or these two. And that way also prevents the public from viewing your followers and following. Now, if you want that option, by all means, go ahead and do so. Now, if you don't know how to do it, just go ahead over to your profile. At the top right, tap on the three horizontal lines, and then make sure, okay, that under business tools and controls or for professionals, just make sure that your account is set to what? Personal account. All right? Not a business account or a creator account. Again, a personal account. Okay, I'm just going to go log into another account. That is a personal account right here. So I'm going to go ahead over to three dots or three horizontal lines. And then instead of for professional section, you can now go ahead and see who can see your content. Okay, so got to tap on account privacy and then just make sure that you enable this toggle. All right. Also, if you want to, you could go ahead and remove existing followers. If you want someone to stop seeing your list, go to your followers section. Okay, right here, tap on it and remove them. Okay. Or if you want to, you could go ahead and block specific users, of course, if necessary. Now, if you don't know how to block, just tap on a person, tap on the three dots, and just tap on block. All right. And there you have it. And those are the ways to at least hide your Instagram following and followers. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.